At Trebor Manufacturing, we take pride in offering you toolboxes that meet your expectations. All our aluminum boxes can be customized and adapted according to your needs. Whether it's a top-lid toolbox, an underbody toolbox, or any other products, our experts will work with you to design a product that will improve your work efficiency. You can start by choosing your toolbox's size to make sure it perfectly fits on your truck. You will then decide on the finish: checkered, smooth plain, or stainless steel mirror doors. The toolbox's interior will be custom designed to maximize the available space for the equipment to be stored. Drawers, adjustable shelves, dividers. We will adapt it to your needs. You will have 3 handle options. First, the T-handle, which includes a key lock. There is also the whale tail compression handle, which has the feature of compressing by pushing after turning, unlike the regular T-handle, which compresses by turning, which makes the closure easier while providing excellent locking protection. And finally, the double lock compression anti-rack handle that offers unrivaled quality. The hinges we use are strong and rust-proof. You will have to choose where you want them to be placed on your toolbox so that the door or doors open in the desired direction. Your toolbox is waterproof thanks to Trebor's rubber-on-rubber sealing, which will keep water away from your equipment no matter how hard it rains. Call us now to get a free quote on your custom aluminum toolbox, or visit our website at trebormanufacturing.com.